The single Sentry beam system has the robust weatherproof frame and integrated rechargeable battery. The battery pack is placed into position through the front of the frame, and the power cable needs to be clicked into position. The beam has a single-headed laser, and when turned on, can be calibrated to any distance up to 10 meters, simply by placing an object or standing in position at the distance you require. The beam will beep 15 times. And will then be calibrated to that distance. Walking beyond the beam distance will not activate the alarm. This allows for members of the public to walk on a path, but activate if the beam is cut on the road by either a person or vehicle. The beam system is not affected by wind movements or vibrations from machinery, and are ideal for street works. The beam system has a built-in sounder for its own deterrent purposes and connects to a yellow PSA to warn the workforce if the closure point is unmanned. When fully charged, the batteries should last 40 hours, but should be regularly charged when taken back to the depot. Charging stations, or individual chargers, are supplied with the system. Make sure before charging that the charging station is working correctly, pressing the reset button if required. It is then a simple task to just plug a charger into the back of the battery pack. The charging process takes around 8 hours from flat to fully charged. Intellicone beam systems, helping to deter and warn of incursions.